Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to an exciting episode of Learning with Style and Fun. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of idioms. In this video, we will explore 10 idioms starting with out of. And trust me, these expressions will take your English to the next level. Let's jump right in. The first idiom is out of the question. Out of the question means not possible or acceptable. Dear viewers, out of the question means something is completely impossible or not allowed. Imagine trying to fly without wings. It's just not happening. Example: going on vacation now is out of the question with all this work. Next, we have out of the blue. Out of the blue means unexpectedly. This idiom refers to something that happens suddenly and unexpectedly, like a surprise rainstorm on a sunny day. Example: his phone call came out of the blue after years of no contact. Let's talk about out of control. Out of control means something that cannot be managed. When something is out of control, it's chaotic or beyond anyone's ability to manage. Example: the fire got out of control and spread to nearby houses. Here is out of place. Out of place means not fitting in or not suitable for a situation. Feeling out of place is like being a puzzle piece that doesn't fit. It means you don't belong or something isn't quite right. Example: she felt out of place at the party because everyone else was dressed formally. Moving on to out of line. Out of line means not acceptable or beyond what is proper. When someone is out of line, they've crossed a boundary or acted inappropriately, like stepping on someone's toes, but figuratively. Example: his rude comment was completely out of line during the meeting. Next off is out of date. Out of date means no longer current or relevant. Dear viewers, this idiom means something is no longer fresh, current, or relevant, like wearing bell bottom jeans in 2025. Example: the information on the website is out of date and needs to be updated. Now let's look at out of reach. Out of reach means beyond the ability to attain or access. If something is out of reach, it's just beyond your grasp, like trying to grab a star in the sky. Example: the new phone is out of reach for me right now due to its high price. Here's out of order. Out of order means not working or functioning correctly. When something is out of order, it's broken or not working properly, like a vending machine that eats your money but won't give you snacks. Example: the vending machine is out of order, so we'll have to go to the store. Let's not forget out of sight. Out of sight means something is very impressive or amazing. Can also mean literally out of view. Out of sight can mean literally unseen or something so amazing it takes your breath away, like a stunning firework display. Example: The fireworks display was out of sight. It was the best I've ever seen. And finally, out of sorts. Out of sorts means feeling unwell or in a bad mood. Feeling out of sorts is like having a gloomy cloud following you. It means you're unwell or just not in a good mood. Example: she's been out of sorts since the argument with her friend.